Hi, this is Sam Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service. We're an authorized independent Bentley motor car workshop. We have in here a 91 Spur 2. We have the dash out. It's Tony's car. We can't really say, who, but anyway, we're fixing the car. We're going to put the instrument cluster in, see if we can get this working. Somebody has had it out and left screws loose and been working with it. So we've gone ahead and cleaned things up, dyed some dielectric grease. We're going to see if we can get this working. So you want to go ahead and see if you can just set it in there and apply it, see if we can get these lights to kick on. As usual, we found screws hanging out and clips not put back. There's an aftermarket stereo put in it, and it wasn't it could have been done a lot better, let's put it that way. But it's okay. We see this happen all the time. Like I said, we specialize in Rolls-Royce and Bentley, so come to any wiring or dash providing. We did do a silver shadow a few months back that you may see that we said left and went to a salvage yard. That's because Haggerty, they didn't have it insured enough. Let's see how this works. Okay, we didn't have park reverse drive. Let's see here now. We're seeing if we can get it. So while he's taking the time trying to fit it behind the back of the console here, we're actually trying to see if we can get some other lights working on this. So it may need a rebuilt instrument cluster. Oh, those bottom lights are working now. See the bottom? What do we got? Oh yeah, we've got some other lights, but we don't have a park reverse drive. So this board on the back must be bad. And switching from airbag and going back and forth. On the fuse box, we've got a jumper wire down in here. And we've got another jumper wire going in here. So people have been in here trying to do some quickie repairs. We've got some silicone on the back of this dash here. I guess getting rid of a rattle or a squeak. I don't know what we're doing there. So okay. It's going to need a rebuild. Okay, so we're needing a rebuild on the instrument cluster. Fortunately, thank God all the gauges are working on it, but we can't get the park reverse drive, but so we'll leave that up to the owner and what he wants to do. Those things, I know if you purchase them from Rolls-Royce, are about $4,000, and they just come with the centerpiece, the park reverse drive. They don't even come with the gauges on each side, and then the whole plastic piece. We've got to find some sort of outsourcing way to get this done a lot more reasonable. So now we're going back to apply with it. Somebody had also taken the dimmer set switch and they had spun it too hard and spun all the wires. So we're seeing what we can do about any fixing of that. The thing got a little loose, and you can see the wires right here have been spun around too much. So once again, you get people who aren't used to it, and they're forcing and they're bending and they're tweaking on stuff that they've got no business doing. This is like a really, really bad connection thing going on here on this radio and stuff. And then we just have some sort of, there's some markings there. I don't know how they're hooking this up, but they are.